In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add live chat to your website. So there's a good service called TalkTo, it's TAWK.TO, and this is a free service to add in live chat to your website. So you can see an example of what it looks like here on their page. It has this little chat bubble here at the bottom. Once you click on that, gives your users options to chat with you. So it's a pretty good thing to add to your website, and it's really easy to set up. So you just want to sign up for an account, and once you get signed up, it's going to give you an embed code, and you would copy that code. I'm just going to copy this URL for this example, but just pretend this is the embed code. And then when we're on our dashboard, we go into add-ons and site scripts. And then we're going to do add new script. And we're just going to paste in our embed code right here. We can just name this live chat. And then once we hit save script, that's it. Now we have live chat on our website. And that's all for this tutorial.